Hi, I'm Divija. I was in Munich, Germany recently and I visited the BMW Museum and the Neuschwanstein Castle. Let me show you around. Let's start with the BMW Museum. Did you know BMW first started out as an aircraft engine manufacturing company? It was founded in 1913 and the name of the company was this. In 1917, it was reorganized and renamed to BMW, and many of the engines were used during World War I. But after World War I, in 1919, the Treaty of Versailles banned Germany from making any more aircraft engines. BMW first made motorcycles before making cars. This was the first motorcycle made in 1923, and later, after a decade, in 1933, they made the first car. This is the 1998 model and the price was still in DM 65,000, that is German mark. And this is 2007. This become euros 35,900. Very ChatGPT, na? Okay. Hello. So I'm on my final day of my Germany trip. Tomorrow I'm flying to India. So today I'm going to make the best of it. I'm going to do it by visiting one of Germany's most famous castles. So I'm going to two of them. One is the Linderhof Castle and the other is the castle that inspired Disney. It's the Neuschwanstein Castle. So I booked this castle tour on Wider. It was 59 euros, but the ticket does not include castle entrance, so you need to pay a little extra for castle entrance. You can do it online while you're booking the ticket, or you can do it in the bus as well. I did it on the bus because I was still deciding if I wanted to do it or not, but I thought, okay, I'm coming all this way and it wouldn't be a wise thing to not visit the castles, like go inside. So the additional is 41 euros. That includes entrance for both the castles. Did you know Germany has around 30,000 castles, and I'm going to be seeing two of them now. A few years ago when I started my Europe travel, I was in Switzerland and I was in France. I've been a Disney fan ever since I was a kid, and I wanted to visit all these castles, like the real life castles that inspired Disney. There is a castle in Geneva, Switzerland. I think that is inspired Beauty and the Beast castle. The other is Mont Saint Michel in France, which is inspired the Tangle castle. The place where Rapunzel dances and three little girls, they braid her hair beautifully. So that's the place. But I couldn't go to either of these castles. I think it was a little too much for my trip. I think starting my castle streak right from Germany, I think it's like meant to be, because Germany is known for its castles. They're like more than 30,000 or something. So I'm pretty excited to go there. I was watching Ted Lasso recently, just a week before my trip, and in that Ted Lasso asks Coach Beard, what is the place you would want to propose? And he says immediately, Linderhof Castle, Hall of Mirrors, because The reasoning is when the girl says yes after he proposes, in a room full of thousand mirrors, it will be like a thousand yeses. So I really like that. So I immediately looked for it. Okay, where is this Linderhof Castle? And I found okay, it's in Germany, and I was super excited because I was going to be here in Germany, and from Munich, it's super close. So I'm going there. I'm very excited about it. So I got the ticket for the castle entrance and I'm walking towards the castle. It's like an 8-minute walk. But like walking or even if it is a small hike, I'm scared because I have PTSD of hiking after my hike to Machu Picchu. You can watch my vlog and see me suffer, see me talk about my great experience, how much I suffered. So I don't know, even if it is like a small path that I need to hike, I get scared. So this is the castle. It was a very quick hike. I shouldn't even say hike, it's just a walk. I just got scared because PTSD. I finished my tour in the Linderhof Castle, so I met a girl there. So we sort of became friends and we've been talking. And she's traveling for work and she's going to pay for my food here because under 10 euros, you only need to pay in cash in the souvenir store. And I don't have cash, so I thought I would. 1 second. I'll get the
What is
pretzels.
this?
Pretzels.
One of these? Yeah. Maybe two.
Uh, for me also, two pretzels.
So four altogether? Or?
No,
Four.
four.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Then I give you the ticket back.
So she's traveling for work and her company pays for it, and like the company gives her per diem. So she has money that she needs to spend, and she offered to pay for my pretzels. That's so nice of her. That's her. She's paying for my food. The tour guide is a really sweet guy. So he asked all of us if we wanted to make a separate stop for souvenir shopping. So he brought us to this place. And I'm gonna buy all my souvenirs. I'm actually very glad that he brought us to this souvenir shop because tomorrow, Sunday, everything is going to be closed. So I already planned anyway to buy souvenirs here. So literally, as I was talking about charms, I found these charms. I hope I find a pretzel shaped one.
I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
I have a cuckoo clock and a
Oh.
Lederhosen.
Oh, cuckoo clock is good.
This
Okay,
is
I'll
a
take it.
little cuckoo clock.
Oh, that's awesome. Just what I needed. Thank you.
Bitteschön.
Bavarian bottle caps, which are super famous. So you can see here. Yeah. But expensive. Oh, I'm definitely gonna get these beer mugs. And I also want to get schnapps. Schnapps is some kind of a brandy, like fruit brandy or something. I want to get the big one, but I don't know if it's gonna fit in my bag or not. I don't want it to break. So I'm thinking. I mean, there's not much price difference. The small one is 16.90 and the big one is like 18.50. I better get this than this. Tour guide has given us like 20 cents or something to shop. Germans are very punctual. They're very particular about time. So if he warned us, so if you are not there on time, there's a good chance that we'll leave you behind and go. So I need to hurry. I have like 10 minutes more. The food here looks very expensive. And one thing I've learned in all my European travels is to never buy a bottled water at a restaurant because water, like tap water, is drinkable here. So you can go to a kitchen or something in a hostel or a hotel or Airbnb. You just get a refillable water bottle and fill it up, and don't buy a water bottle. So I've been living in US for some time, and I'm so used to getting free water whenever I go to restaurants. So they tap water, even they give tap water, but it's free. Even if you ask for a bottled water, I've never asked for a bottled water in USA. It's always been like tap water, and it's free. But here, coming and paying for water should be made free for everyone all over the world, I feel. I mean, it's hard for some places to get water. It's a different story, but I think water should be like basic supply. Like water is 70% of our body. That should be made free for everybody, or at least tap water should be made drinkable. When I was in Rome, I loved it so much. Rome and Switzerland. Rome actually has like some over 2,000 water fountains or something, or I'm confusing, for over 2,000 years, I think. So yeah, it was pretty good. Hi, how was your experience?
Nice. I expected more. I wanted to take a picture like
Yeah.
with the castle, near to the castle.
Correct.
I don't know if there is no time, but
Ah, correct.
and you?
It was okay. I felt like I wish it was not winter, and I wish it was summer. We would have had more time at the viewpoint.
Yes.
Yeah, and like with if we were there in the morning, there would have been sunlight, and we would have gotten better pictures.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Should bring my camera.
Yes.
You should bring your camera because the iPhone doesn't take
Yeah.
good photos.
I know. So we finished the castle tour finally. There was so many floors that we had to climb up and down.
And it smells huele a patas, para los que entiendan.
Correct. Okay.
A humidity. It smells like humidity. In Spanish, we call huele a patas todo el castillo.
Huele patas
Todo el castillo.
in
All the castle.
all the Castillo.
Yes.
Okay.
Huele a patas todo el castillo.
So I will fall down. Huele patas hola
Todo.
Tolo Castillo.
Sí.
Okay. Huele patas Tolo Castillo. Okay. Okay. We're not supposed to film anything inside the castle, so we are filming our experience outside. Yeah, that was the experience. We arrived right on time. Gladly, we got on the bus. We arrived so quickly, like on dot. 4:20 was the time given to us by the driver, and we were there at 4:20. And it turns out that one of our co-passengers, he told us 4:45 is the time you need to get to the bus. We have like 20-25 minutes more. It's like too much. We literally ran. But it's fine. We get a little time to explore the lake.